giving birth to a baby calf?
Oh, feels so good.
Owl crying in a silent forest.
Oh, feels so good. Next.
The sound of a fish splashing about on a boat.
Oh, no.
Oh, feels so good.
No, no, no. I didn't. She did. I'm coming.
Why not?
Okay.
No.
Do this? Okay.
Okay. Oh, feels so good.
It really did feel so good. Like, I don't know what to say. Thank you for making me a part of your act. I will tour with you anytime. Heidi, you want to start with you?
You make me laugh every time. I think you're hilarious. And feels so good.
Simon?
I love these guys. The only thing I would say is, and I'm sort of kind of embarrassed that I'm sort of critiquing this, I don't think the whale giving birth sounded like you described.
Oh.
Just do it again for me.
One more time.
Right, can I just set this up? You know Free Willy? Willy's got a whale pregnant, and she's now giving birth.
Okay. Oh, feels so good.
I mean, that's a whale giving birth.
Yeah, that was better. To be fair, that was better.
Mel?
You're really sweet guys, I'm sure, but I just ask myself, just why?
Feels so good. Not feels so bad.
Why?
Why? Because
Why?
it feels so good. This makes me laugh. It feels good in the tummy. Only 7